In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airtable to Google Sheets. We're going to walk through the full setup in a simple, practical way so you can move data from Airtable into Google Sheets with confidence. This is useful if you want to keep records synced, share information more easily, or build a lightweight reporting workflow without copying and pasting data manually. To begin, open Airtable and prepare the table you want to connect. This part matters more than people often expect because the structure of your table will affect how cleanly the sync works later. Make sure the records you want to send are already organized and check that your fields are named clearly. If your table is messy or incomplete, that confusion usually carries over into Google Sheets as well. Next, choose an Airtable integration tool. A popular option is Zapier, but you can also use Make or another connector that supports both Airtable and Google Sheets. The main goal here is to use a tool that can act as the bridge between the two platforms. If you're deciding between tools, focus on ease of use, available automation features, and whether it supports the type of sync you want. Once you've chosen the tool, connect your Airtable account and select the correct base and table. Take a moment here to confirm that you're linking the exact source you want, especially if you manage multiple bases. Choosing the wrong table is a common setup mistake, so it's worth double checking before moving on. After that, connect your Google account and choose the spreadsheet where the Airtable data should go. You'll also want to make sure you're sending the data into the right sheet tab if your spreadsheet has more than one. Keeping the destination organized now will save you time later when the automation starts running. The next step is to map your Airtable fields to the Google Sheets columns. This is where you tell the integration which Airtable field belongs in each column of your spreadsheet. Try to match everything carefully and keep the column layout easy to understand. Clear mapping helps prevent missing data, formatting issues, or information landing in the wrong place. Now run a test sync to check whether the data transfers correctly. This test is important because it gives you a chance to catch problems before the automation is live. Review the spreadsheet closely and make sure the values appear in the expected columns and format. Once everything looks correct, turn on the integration. From that point on, the connector will begin handling the data transfer for you automatically. That's it. Your Airtable and Google Sheets connection is now set up and ready to use.